Now here is what most people look like on a surfboard. Reggie's out here doing what? Two 5 Tuesday coming at you. 2-5 Tuesday. Aloha everybody, Chris G here, Positively Progressing. Thank you so much for tuning in and for your continued watching habits. I am beyond stoked to be featuring one of my great friends, Reggie Padilla. So the reason why I'm so pumped to have Reggie on today is because I get to make an announcement for Reg that he just released his very first Etude book. Retro. So the new book is called Reflecting Changes, and I'm going to leave a link below if you're interested in checking it out. It has 10 etudes written over common standards like All the Things You Are, Cherokee, and On the Sunny Side of the Street. Of course, one of my favorites. Now it's available in all keys, B flat, E flat, C, as well as bass clef. So Reggie's also included some really great play-alongs. Not only do you get the audio play-alongs with the rhythm section and Reggie playing, but you also get video play-alongs, which this next clip I am so excited to show you because we finally have a jazz bassoonist. Let's check it out. Woo! Woo! So after you check out this video, go buy the book, go support Reggie. These etudes are super fun to play and they have a ton of just great language. Speaking of language, let's check out Reggie's 2-5. Now this is a line from his book. He's written an etude over Cherokee called Half and Half. So here's his 2-5. Okay, this is Cherokee speed. Let's slow it down, then break it down. Alright, time to break it down. If you listen really closely to the line, you'll notice that this line is almost diatonic. There's only one note in this entire line that's not diatonic to G concert. And I'll point that note out in a minute here. So the line starts on the 1 of the 2 chord and arpeggiates all the way up to the 9. So that's it. Boom. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the minor chord. Then he goes down to the 1 and then the 7, then he does a 7-3 resolution. And when I say 7-3 resolution, what I'm saying is he's going from 7 of the 2 chord and resolving it to the 3 of the 5 chord, of the dominant chord. After the 7-3 resolution, he just walks that down, 3, 2, 1, and then does the David Baker bebop lick.
The David Baker bebop lick.
And that's where the non-diatonic note comes in. This is one lick that you should know. This should be a part of your repertoire, just hearing that line, ba-ba-doo-be-ba-da. Sing it in all keys, play it in all keys. Just get it under your fingers. This is key language for you to know. After he finishes the dominant chord with the David bebop, after he finishes the 5 chord off with that David Baker bebop, then he just hits the 5 of the 1 chord, plays the 3 down to the 7, and then resolves it to the 9. So he lands on the 9 of the 1 chord and just holds it out, and then that's a beautiful sound. If you notice from this, like I said before, almost all diatonic notes, which is a great way to play. If you can play a whole solo with diatonic notes, you're probably sounding pretty good. If you can make it sound good with chord tones and rhythm, you're doing something right. So that's the line. Half and Half is the name of the etude, and it's written over the chord changes to Cherokee. By the way, if you haven't heard Kamasi Washington's version of Cherokee, it's fantastic. I will place a bet that you cannot listen to that version of Cherokee and not have it put a smile on your face. It is beautiful. As always, thank you so much for your continued support. Go check out Reggie's book, Reflecting Changes. Until next week, you know what to do. Always positive, always progressing. Later.